Confined space, question and answer. So let's start. Question: an excavated trench deeper than feet is considered a confined space. Answer A, 4 feet. Question: a confined space has restricted and answer is A, entry and exit. Question: which of the following are considered to be confined space? Tanks, vessels, manhole, all answer. Answer is D, all answer. Question 4. Which of the following describes a confined space? Limited access, limited natural ventilation, not designed for human occupancy, and limited working space. Answer is D, all answer. Question: the atmosphere of a confined space is unacceptable if the oxygen level is below percent or above percent. Answer is A, 20% and 23.5%. Question: which of the following hazard can be found in confined space? Temperature, noise, hazardous atmosphere. Answer is D, all answer. Question: which hazardous atmosphere can be found in a confined space? Asphyxiating atmosphere, suffocation, toxic atmosphere, flammable atmosphere, alien. Answer is D, all answer. Question: exhaust diesel or petrol fumes near a confined space may contain that can present a hazard for a nearby confined space. Answer is A, carbon monoxide. Question: the air temperature in a confined space is not considered when evaluating working condition in confined space. Answer is B, false. Question: what must you have before entering into a confined space within a Saudi Aramco facilities or a project site? Answer is A, a valid confined space entry permit issued by a certified issuer. Question: what are the roles you need for a confined space entry? Answer is A confined space entry supervisor, an entrant, and standby man. Question: which of the following are part of the standby man's responsibilities? Answer: monitors internal and external activities of a confined space entry, never leaves the point of entry and never enters, maintains communication and orders evacuation of entrants in case of an emergency. Answer is D, all answer. Question: which of the following are part of the entrant's responsibilities? Never enters until all precautions are in place and he understands the work assignment. Maintains communication with the standby man. Alerts standby man and other entrants to exit in case of emergency. Answer is D, all answer. Question: a confined space entry permit is required for jobs when you enter a confined space. Answer is A, true. Question: vessel entry for cleaning activities in hydrocarbon processing plant require a confined space entry permit? Answer is A, true. Question: a confined space entry permit ensure the proper preparation of the confined space, identification and control of hazard. The safe entry and exit of personnel and rescue plans are in place. Answer is A, true. Question: a confined space entry plan is the written to isolate, depressurize, clean, drain, purge or ventilate and perform emergency rescue unique to a specific confined space. Answer is A, procedure. Question: during the joint site inspection, all hazards and controls are identified and recorded on the work permit form and become condition for the confined space entry. Answer is A, true. Question: select the correct statement when LEL equal to or greater than 10%. Answer is A, no entry is permitted. Question: an LEL concentration of less than 5% allow what type of work? Answer is A, permitted to perform cold work and confined space entry allowed. Question: when carbon monoxide concentration is greater than 35 ppm but less than 1000 ppm, select the correct statement from the following list. Answer: allowed to perform work and confined space entry with SCABA, allowed with division head approval. Question: rescue from a confined space can only be done by. Answer is D, a trained rescue team. Question: the standby man must have and ensure all entrants sign the confined space entry for all confined space entry. Answer is C, entry log. Question: ignition source must be eliminated or controlled in a confined space. If they are present, torch cutting you must ensure. Answer: periodic gas tests are performed, fire protection equipment are present and a fire watch. Air movers and other electrical equipment are grounded to prevent static buildup. Answer is all answer. Question: confined space entry is not permitted if the atmosphere is at or above 10% LEL, H2S concentration is at or above 100 ppm, carbon monoxide concentration is at or above 1000 ppm, oxygen concentration is above 23.5%. Answer is E, all answer. Question: select the correct statement when LEL equal to or greater than 10%. Answer is A, no entry are permitted. Question: rescue from a confined space can only be done by. Answer is D, a trained rescue team. Question: the standby man must have and ensure all entrants sign the confined space entry for all confined space entry. Answer is C, entry log. Question: communication between entrants and standby man is important, but when verbal face to face of direct visual contact is not possible, what are other means of communication? Two-way radio, hand signal, rope communication, oath method. D. Answer is all answer. Question. Ignition source must be eliminated or controlled in a confined space. If they are present, torch cutting you must ensure. Periodic gas tests are performed, fire protection equipment are present, and a fire watch. Air movers and other electrical equipment are grounded to prevent static buildup. Answer is D. All answer.